Hello and welcome to another video of Baking with Chef Santi. Here I have my assistant here, Diego.
Hello, I'm his friend Diego from pre-catering.
So today we are making thumbprint cookies.
Our first step is to take a cup of softened butter, aka 2 sticks, and you're gonna put them in the bowl. You're gonna open it.
Santi, you can start with the next step too.
Oh my gosh, it is. Yeah. Ta-da. So.
What else goes with the butter?
And also we get eggs. No. Can you just stop?
No, it's okay. Keep
Just
going.
do the editing.
You need to do 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
And
Okay,
3/4.
3, 2, 1.
I'm still recording.
And 3/4 of a cup. And 3/4 of a sugar.
3/4 of sugar.
That's 1/4, right?
Yep.
Condiments are next.
Okay, fill it up.
That's good.
Sure.
No.
Diego wants to do the next one. It's fun to have a helper in the kitchen. You're usually on your own, right, Chef?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Don't have it heaping though, just kind of level.
So that's why we use this.
Perfect.
That's why we use this. Look.
That works.
Okay.
Well, yeah, sure.
One more.
And
So-
then
That's why we use
The side of the bag.
ta-da.
Okay. So we're gonna cream that up with the mixer, right guys? We don't need to watch that part. And then we'll get back to the next step.
Okay. And see you then. So hello, welcome back. And we're gonna put salt, eggs, and the vanilla extract
Mm-hmm.
back. So we're gonna put 1/4 of a teaspoon right here.
Mm-hmm. Making sure you don't get too much, huh?
That's a lot of salt even for it. Boom.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put in the eggs.
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
I'm dumping in the eggs.
Did you guys separate the eggs yourself?
Yes.
Yes, we did.
The cracked one was
Was it hard or
him.
easy? Santi, can you grab a spoon so he
Which
can
was that?
scoop it out?
Okay.
Well, mine popped, so.
It happens.
Uh-huh.
As long as it's just the yolk, right?
Uh-huh. There's a little bit of white, but okay.
Who cares? It's only a little bit.
Okay, good
Okay,
job.
that's good.
Now, what did we talk about with the vanilla?
So the vanilla, we are gonna put 1 teaspoon.
Okay, so move it back.
Okay, just put it all the way.
Okay.
Diego wants to do the vanilla.
I'm just gonna.
Okay, you're gonna do it together?
And there's the vanilla.
Good job. We'll mix that up.
So hello and welcome back. We just got finished up mixing, and now we are gonna put 2 full cups of all-purpose flour and 1/3.
No, 1/4.
1/4. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. One.
Pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it.
Boom.
That was satisfying. I know. Satisfying.
My knife. I messed up.
It's fine. Just get it
This
up.
should be
Get it. Well,
around a
oh,
cup.
oh, you went down in it. Okay, it's más o menos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, one last one.
Sure.
I need to wash my hands.
Oh god, that was a lot. I need a knife.
It's a knife. No, you're trying to get the wrong way, but it will work.
Oh, okay, like this.
It's okay, just dump it in.
Just do it. There we go.
Just do it.
you go.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna mix that up, right?
Yes, beautiful.
Okay. Mix it up, guys.
So we're back. And we are making some dough balls. So
Oh, by the way,
it's
this is
just
Santi's
the
little
mixture.
Eva had to come help.
When I told her a million times to not be in this video, but of course she had to be in here. So we're just making a lot of dough balls.
Yours look kind of big, Santi.
Bigger the better, right?
No, they're kind of supposed to be small.
I don't care.
I mean, medium size. Yours are a little too big. Diego, keep them in a ball. We're gonna press them down later, okay?
Oh, I want big. Go big or go home.
Okay, we'll come back when this is further along.
Okay, bye. So, hi and welcome back. You could just use this
Show them, Diego.
teaspoon, this spoon to make a hole, or
Eva, stop.
Stop, Bella. Can we just redo it?
It's okay. Just
Or
keep
we could
going.
just use your fingers. Like,
Yeah, your thumb.
Because that's why they're called.
Thumbprint cookies.
Uh-huh. But show them how the spoon part works, too.
so you're gonna take one of Eva's. Gonna roll it up again. Sorry, Eva. And then we're gonna squish it down like that. And if you see the sides cracking, you're gonna wanna do this.
Because what are we going to fill it with, guys?
Jelly.
Jelly.
Okay, we'll be back when it's time to fill them.
Hello, we're back, and now we're filling the cookies with jelly.
Or jam.
So we got,
Pineapple.
I don't know, a raspberry.
And this one is
Pineapple.
Peach.
Peach. I don't know.
I think it's peach with rum.
Mommy, I need a.
You can pick any jelly you want. Or jam.
I need
So we're going to finish those up, guys, right? Lots of focus here. Eva, you
I
can
don't
just
really
observe.
care. I just put the whole thing.
That one's going to overflow.
Like we care. But you don't want them to overflow.
And then we'll put, once we finish this, we're going to put them in the oven, right?
yeah, and then we're gonna bake them, and then we're gonna eat them.
Okay, we'll check back in.
Hello, and welcome back. We are going to put
them in the oven.
Cookies into the oven.
Okay.
It has been gonna be so hot. It has been the one of flavors, and then it's in the hot. It's gonna be the windows, and then that we hot so much, and we
Close the oven.
and then we did a bandage.
350 for like 17 minutes.
Hello, and welcome back to Baking with Chef Santi. Today we are here with the ones, or the pets that we lost in this year and all the other years that have gone. So we are going to start with Diego.
Oh, okay. So I've lost a pet frog. Her name was Nippy. She died because she died of frostbite. I think she died of coldness because the dumb people at what's it called, PetSmart? Yeah, at PetSmart said this: you don't need a heater. 3 months later, she dead. So, and then my dog Sonny, he had cancer somewhere. I don't remember. And he passed away. And then my dog, Chucha, her legs wouldn't stop moving because the brain couldn't tell them to stop. So one night, she would just all over around the backyard. And then the next day, my dad decided to put her down. And then now we pass on to Santi.
So I would like to say to my 5 pets who have died, 2 have gone in the summer, which I'm going to say. My dog, who has lived for 15 years or more, died of a really bad sickness this summer of 2022, and I would like this moment for her. And also my hermit crab, Mr. Chompers. It was a really good years that we had with him. He was huge, man. But I would he just dried up in the corner. When he would refuse to water, he just died, which was sad. And also we have little Jimmy, my other hermit crab, named after Mr. Beast. Mr. B 6000. Oh.
By the way, PewDiePie stinks.
And also we have Hermie, who died because he dried up again. Well, little Jimmy died because he lost blood.
Oh yeah. Yeah, his dog that died in the summer was responsible for Jimmy. Oh wait, no.
No, not Jimmy. It was a different one. My turtle, Speedy. He died because he went underneath the gate of my dog, and the dog retaliated it. There was blood and gore, but we don't have a scene of that. Okay.
Good job.
And that's our moment and 3 minutes of celebrating that.
Time.
So we are gonna try one of each. So I'm gonna get one of this, one of this. So
That's really big for you, Eva.
I'm
Okay.
gonna rate how it tastes.
Okay.
So my first one. This one's pretty good. I don't know. I give this one about 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Really good.
Yeah, they're right out of the oven, huh? Maybe 10 minutes ago.
Jelly very hot.
Mm-hmm.
I love it there. Oh, I don't want.
Yeah, keep the pieces of it. Still tastes good. Oh, stop dropping it on the floor.
I need a new one.
Did you eat all of the other ones, Santi?
He's very sick, so I need water.
Right now. Okay, guys, what's the final verdict?
Say goodbye.
So the plum one with peach.
Mhm.
No, the rum and peach was very good. I had to say an 8 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
This one was very good too. 8.5
No.
out of 10.
Okay.
This one is like a 9.5 in my book.
Mm-hmm.
Other one, the jelly was very hot, so I think it was like an
Okay. Okie dokie. Let's sign off.
8. And see you next time with Baking with Chef Santi. Bye.
And Diego.
Mommy.